The city of Oran is one of Algeria's most important cities, as it has much cultural, commercial and industrial importance, as well as being one of the country's most visited cities. These are the best places you can visit in Oran City, Algeria. Built in the 16th century by the Spanish, Fort Santa Cruz was restored by the French 3 centuries later. It is now a listed national monument in the testimony of Algerian, French, Spanish history. Surrounded by rocky hills with scrubby trees on them, there is Madagh Beach, located west of central Oran, which is a destination for both longtime residents and tourists alike. Oran's beautiful seashore, constructed under French rule, was inspired by Nice's seafront. It consists of a long boulevard lined with cafés, restaurants, and ice cream shops. This station was built in Oran during the French occupation. It was built as a substitute of the old station, which was unfit to receive the growing number of travelers. It was built in 1796 by order of Baba Hassan, Pasha of Algiers, in memory of the expulsion of the Spanish. In 1952, the mosque was listed as a historic monument. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel if you think our video is worth to be watched. See you again in our next video.